Code P0047 is triggered when the PCM sees unusually low voltage in the boost control circuit, labeled A. This usually refers to the solenoid that helps control the turbo or supercharger actuator. A low voltage signal means the PCM can't properly manage boost pressure, especially at lower RPMs. This code can result from a defective solenoid or actuator, a short to ground, or even a broken wire in the boost control circuit. Corroded connectors and blown fuses are also common culprits that can disrupt voltage delivery. When P0047 is active, you'll often feel a drop in power, especially when accelerating. The turbo may not spool properly, leading to lag or sluggish throttle response. The check engine light will be on, and boost levels may stay low. To fix this, start by checking voltage at the boost solenoid. If it's low or absent, trace the wiring for breaks or shorts. Make sure the fuse and relay for the turbo system are intact. If power is good, but the solenoid doesn't respond, replacing it will likely solve the issue.